Assembling a KD frame is a simple 6-step process. Follow all the steps in order. If you are unsure, stop and review before continuing. Step 1. Identify frame parts. Identify the parts you will need: head, 2 jambs, and a sill. Got them? Now make sure you have all the other necessary components: frame gaskets pre-applied to jambs, seal tape, 1 package of screws, sealant seam sealer, KD nail fin corner, and alcohol wipes. If you are missing any components, stop and make sure you have them all before continuing. The process cannot be adequately completed without all proper parts and components. You'll need to join the jamb to the sill, then the head to the jamb. First, clean the areas where the jamb gasket will be adhering to on both the head and the sill using the alcohol wipes. After they are clean, remove tape line from the jamb gasket and fasten together. To fasten the frame together, use 8 by 2.5 package screws to insert them into the pre-drilled holes in the jambs. Use panhead screws in the holes with grooves toward the outer edge of the frame. Use washer head screws in the flat area of the pre-drilled holes. Tighten them sequentially and make sure not to over-torque the screws. Repeat steps on the remaining joints. The washer head screws should have a slight dimple. Then apply provided frame sealant around the joint. Be careful and make a nice uniform bead. Repeat the same process on the other side. Next, apply seal tape to jamb and sill on both sides. Lastly, apply KD nail fin corners, using the seam sealer to the head and the jamb corner joint. This will seal the joint and cover the gap between the nail fin of the head and jamb. That's it! Now you know how to properly assemble a KD frame. If not, watch again. It's only 2 minutes.